in general. It's been a long month. The big 2.5 hasn't been easy on your boy. And it hasn't been easy on the V either. Or depending on how you want to look at it, maybe the V hasn't been easy on me as well. It's all just tasking. It all sucks. But today we're gonna try to turn it around. All right. I know it's been a little bit. To update you on this thing, I think the last video I posted, I forgot what the hell I did. We're waiting on stuff for the mail, right? If you look over yonder in the corner, we got us an intake. So we're not gonna do that this video, but maybe the next one. Case in point, this thing has a check engine light again. Now you saw a couple videos ago, or if you haven't, go watch it, that I freaking replaced some map sensors on here and a MAF sensor. It ran decent for a little bit. We did the dyno day. We were still down on power, wicked hard. I think we're only running like 6 pounds of boost. I think we're supposed to be running like closer to 9. So we're in some sort of kind of like safety / limp mode. I want to start modding this thing, but obviously I'm not gonna mod a turd that's broken. So we have sensor issues still. Whenever I hooked up the code reader, you know, I'm using the generic O'Reilly's one. Okay, no hate, but you never know, right? They're not giving me any like actual codes to work with. All it says is like implausible air pressure and stuff, and it doesn't give me a fix. That sucks for me because I'm an idiot. I need directions, okay? I'm not good at troubleshooting on these yet. This is my first supercharged car or forced induction car in general. And if you're like me and new to stuff like this, it can be a pain in the ass sometimes. When, you know, they're amazing when it works. It's not great when it's not working. Anyway, we're gonna be changing sensors again. I had some freaking run-of-the-mill like cheapos that I bought the last time because, you know, I was used to having cars. Now I kind of actually gotta choose stuff that's decent, right? So I ordered some AC Delcos. I still have a Blue Streak MAF sensor on this. I'm gonna be swapping that to probably an AC Delco or maybe a Rife. We'll see, but that's next. I don't have that ordered yet. Also, as far as mods, if we're waiting, have the intake. I still am waiting on the pulley from Lingenfelter, but I've been waiting well over a month now, and there's still no idea when it's going to show up. They don't have a date for me. They can't get me a date for me. So I'm probably going to call up Texas Speed and get rid of that order and swap it to, I don't know, a freaking Kong or a Grip Tech or something. Something that I can get like right now because I'm tired of waiting. Yeah, so obviously we got a lot more things to do. A video in the future about this disgustingness. We're gonna have a whole beautification process. Hey, don't look too close, all right? She looks good from a distance. She's a little, we love her though. But anyway, let's get into this. We're gonna pop the trunk, disconnect the battery, pop the hood, and get these sensors changed. So let's go. Oh, you know what? Time out. We're gonna do this the right way, okay? I borrowed a scan tool from my homie, Tamor. You remember Tamor? Guy with the white Camaro, crazy horsepower, whatnot.
Yeah, thank you, bro. Appreciate it, man.
My name Tamor from New York. Anyway, I got his scan tool. So before I disconnect this, actually, let's just read it with his and see what it says. So, time out. Ooh, I'm going in blind. You just gotta feel it, right? That's why you want a little runway so you know where you're going. You know what I mean?
No, I don't.
They know what I mean. Oh. Well, I guess I could have guessed that.
You have the keys?
No, I have the keys. I just loosened the battery so it's freaking short.
Ugh.
Hey, like I said in the beginning, I'm an idiot, okay? So, it's just part of it. See? Let there be light. Oops. Yeah, start aborted by theft, thank you. Let's see what we got going on here. Yeah, trunk's open, I know. Cadillac. Okay, here we go. So, we've got a supercharger inlet pressure sensor circuit high voltage. Okay, so yeah, really the only one that should be messing with me here is this inlet pressure sensor circuit high voltage. Okay. Let's do it. Click. You heard it. So did I. Works. See, German torque specs from Germany. Count it. My workbench is in shambles. If you guys didn't see the new short though, yo, Bang Bang Niner gang. Look at the new vanity on the Cadillac. Ooh. That looks delicious. Alright, well, there's that. All new sensors other than the MAF. Come on now. I got you.
I'm gonna kill you myself.
So now, let's hook this reader back up and see what we got going on. Keep on waiting for my codes to read. What was that?
Your car, I think.
Was it the car? Alright, so we're completely through the health check, if you will, and we have no codes now. Yeah, let's start this thing and freaking see what's what.
That sounded rough. Why was that?
So we just replaced the sensors, okay? So the car has to relearn them. That's why you disconnect the battery, so it's not, you know, completely messed up. So the ECU will detect the new airflow, the new, you know,
The new stuff.
what have you, and it'll clean it up and clean it out, and it'll get everything back to where it needs to go. I don't know, but I don't know the right words to put it because, again, this is new to me too, so we're learning together here. Forums and YouTube told me to do it this way, so I'm doing it this way. If the car blows up, I'll be the first one to tell you not to do it this way. Okay. Car's got to relearn everything because now it's like shifting funky too, so it takes a little bit of time. Basically, yeah, so think about it like you just checked your head off the sidewalk, you fell off your skateboard, checked your head off the sidewalk without wearing a helmet, and now you got to relearn how to walk again. That's what the car's doing.
Yeah.
You know, drastic overkill, but got up in like 5 pounds of boost and just didn't know what to do with itself. So I think we just gotta put some mileage down on her. It'll relearn itself. It'll do its thing, right? Because I don't want to like beat the hell out of it when it's driving like this. But we'll see. I'll have to do some more reading. And if you guys have ideas in the comments too, hey, I'm all ears. Let me know. I read them. Alright, that'll probably conclude this video. I hope you guys missed me. And if you're new, get used to me. I'm gonna be around. I know mods. We got the injectors, got the intake pulley on the way, supposedly. If not, we'll get a new one. Freaking still need a heat exchanger and exhaust. But after that, we can do some beautification, wheels and tires, and of course, all that takes money, so we're gonna be dragged out. Stick around, because we're going to try to do some weekly uploads again. But as you know, it's Thanksgiving and Christmas time, so family and whatnot. Get your Dom Toretto on. That'll be all for today. Like I said before, either praise me or roast me in the comments. Subscribe if you're new, and tell somebody about me. Would you? Alright, peace. Oh, wait, I almost forgot. See, it's been a while. I hope you smiled.